This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donya Shrim. Looking for a wow view? Have the best of everything with this totally remodeled Bayfront condo with a 10+ acre beachfront resort style community. Condo has new impact sliding doors that you can open for a wonderful breeze. Updated kitchen has new appliances and new white shaker style cabinets. The community has unsurpassed amenities with award-winning newly remodeled clubhouse, Har-Tru tennis courts, 3 pools plus spa, fitness room, docks you can lease up to 40 boat and kayaking. Condo community has a 24-hour security guard gate. Truly a paradise setting with miles of sandy beaches to enjoy. For more information, review the details below.